Well, hey family, this is Darlene. A couple of weeks back, I got a request asking me to show how I package up my Faire orders. Fairly simple. I got in 5 this morning, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack up this one. This lady wants 9. Well, I put her, hit her address and stuff, and she's in, I want to say France. She's in France. This lady is in France. So I'm getting ready to ship this order to France. The earrings and the bottle and all this other stuff that she ordered. But she ordered 9 of the boho bracelets that I made. And the thing is, I only have 4 left. So I'm getting ready to make 5 more. So this will complete her order. And I had the time for me to ship between 1 and 7 days, but then what I did is I went back and I changed it from 1 to 7 days to 1 to 3 days. So I don't know if I like that or not. I might change it back to 1 to 7 days because I might be caught up doing something else. Like right now, I don't have the inventory. I only have 4 of these boho bracelets. So that means like whatever my schedule was for today, I have to include making 5 more boho bracelets. And that wasn't even in my schedule for today. My schedule for today got all other kind of stuff in it because I'm off from my regular daytime job for a couple more days. But making the boho bracelets was not a part of what I had to do today. So right now, my time is when I got up, it was about 3 a.m. when I woke up. So right now, my time is 4:20 a.m. And I've been up since 3 a.m. So I'm gonna be up for a while because I'm gonna make those bracelets. But anyway, she got 9 of the boho bracelets, 9 of the boho bracelets, and if you remember, I made these little dainty howlet earrings. She wanted 3 pair of these. I mean, the little smallest, daintiest things ever. She wanted 3 pair of those. Well, she wants 3 pair of those. And remember the little glass earrings? I think I made these on camera too. These little dainty earrings. She wants 4 pair of these. So I have all these ready, and I'm getting ready to package these up. And then she wants 40 of the earrings in the bottle. That's just one order. Another order has 100 earrings in the bottle, and you can see I got orders right here. I got to put together too. So that's one reason why I'll sit and just do a bunch of earrings in the bottle. And I got so many of them just packaged up over here. And this is how I package them up in tins on Faire. So she only wants 40. And then that'll complete her order. So I said, well, I could do a small order on camera because people were asking me, to do it. So this is the packing slip. Try not to show her information, but that's the packing slip. And the date on here is right there. You can see, I think it says November 28th, 3:47 a.m. is when I printed out the packing slip. And this is Faire. So this is one of the Faire orders. I don't think none of her personal information is right here. And then these are her 4 items. Not 4 items, but a listing of what she ordered. So with the bracelets, I just take the bracelets. I buy a bunch of these bags, packing bags. And I just put the bracelet, 1 bracelet per bag. Easily slides in. And because these are delicate, these will go on top. And then I have bubble wrap. So I put some bubble wrap in the box, but I'll get to that in a minute. So this is 1, think I've seen some. Thought I've seen a little piece of hair on here somewhere. And I try to be very careful about when I'm packaging, because sometimes little particles could be like on your workspace, and they might get caught on the tape, the sticky part on the bag. So I always like to double check, make sure nothing looks dirty and, you know, none of that kind of stuff. But this is one. It'll be in a plastic bag. And this is two. Put that in a little bag. Close it up real nice. And then remember I said, like with Faire, these are people that have shops and stores, and, you know, they might be selling at events or doing something. So I don't do a whole lot of pretty packaging or anything, because they're buying wholesale. And it only makes sense. I'm going to put this one. This is another one. This is number 3. So I figure, since I got to be making 5 of these bracelets, I'm going to make more than 5 and then put them on there, meaning on Faire. And that's that one. I was just looking at it. This one don't have any charms or dangles on it, but that's okay. It's still cute. And I think I have these on there for, I don't know how much I got. I think I got these on there for $5.50. The bangle bracelet. The bangle bracelet, I want to say it's $5.50. And the reason why I did it for $5.50, because they basically just paying for the supplies that I use. Because remember how we made these? We used the cardboard, and then we covered, and the wire, because I know somebody was saying something about, well, that seemed like that wouldn't be sturdy. Well, once you start putting the wire around it, it reinforces it. It makes it sturdy, you know, to where it keeps it in place. It's not, you know, this one I did not use a lot of wire. I used a thinner wire. And that's okay, as long as you're not putting it in water. You know, you ain't going deep sea diving or anything with them. They should be fine. And then also like with this one. So this is 4. And we got those packaged up. So we're going to put all these in the box. And then for the earrings, I got the smaller bags. So we'll just take the earrings. All of them are exactly alike, so it don't even matter that they're in here together, because either way you match them together, I mean, they're exact. So we'll take this one and then fold this one over. And then we got that one. And then we'll take all these small earrings right here. And so it goes with these. They all look exactly alike, so it does not even matter that they all go in here together. And then for these, because they are so small, I generally use, I didn't bring an envelope. Let me grab an envelope. So I'll put the earrings, because they're small, they'll go into the bag right here with an envelope. They'll go in here. And then I've got some those little stickies I'm gonna put on here, and then I'll write on here earrings, and that'll be that. And then I have the box. So she wants 40 pair earrings, 10 to a bag. 10, 20, 30, 40. But what I'm going to do is I want to look through them to find the prettiest ones. So I like all the ones in this one. They're all nice, but this one, $30, and I like, shoot, I like all of them. And I think I will do this one. I'm going to take two of these out. And I want to actually three of these out of this bag. Because I see some in this bag I want to take out. So I'm going to put this one here. And then I saw this one I wanted to take out. And then I saw something in another one I wanted. Oh, this one. I'm going to take these little blue ones out. This one and probably the Buddha head. These right here. Okay, so that changes hers. So I'm going to put these in here. And this is 10 to a bag. And then we'll fold it close. So this is, these other ones will be for other orders. So this is hers, 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this is her 40. I have a box. Oh wow. You know what? I'm gonna have to use a smaller box. Because I got this box, but this is going to be too big because she don't have that much stuff. So I'm going to have to get another box. That box is too big, so I'll be right back. Okay, what I was going to do is use a different box because this is a pretty nice size box. But I forgot I still have to put another 5 bracelets in here. And then some paperwork too. So I'm going to just use this box. And I generally will put the bubble wrap at the bottom. So I'm going to put, just start packing these in here. So she has 40. And I'll just layer the bottom with the earrings in the bottom. And then I generally will fold the bubble wrap over like so. And then I'll begin to put the other items in. So right now she only has 4 of the bracelets. So I'll just put these in here because they're lighter. So heavy stuff is always packed first. You guys already know that. And then the lighter stuff goes on top. So with these, it'll be 5 more bracelets. And then I'll just put, I got to make a tag, not a tag, but a label put the label on here and it'll say earrings. And then that'll go in here too. And then what I generally do is I take more bubble wrap and then I'll pack it, close it up, and then ship it out. So in this case, I'm not doing anything yet because I still have to make these 5 more of these boho bracelets. And then once I do that, so for right now, this order is complete for right now. And then if I need to put anything in here, I'm going to put 5 boho bracelets. And then I'll just put needed. And then that'll go on the top of this right here. And then behind me is my little workstation. And I'll put this box over there. And then I'll work on the next order. Oh my God, 5 more to do. So then I'll work on these. And that's how it goes. And then I'll go back and double check each order. Like once I have all the orders in. I don't close anything up yet. I do it exactly like this. Put it on my table behind me, work on the next order, and just keep doing it like that. And then when I finish all the orders, I need some water. And then when I finish all the orders, I'll go through and I'll double check. And then I'll mark it off like so. This one, we got that. So I still need to get 5 more of the boho bracelets. So I write it on my little paper right here. This goes on the table, and then that's how I do them. And then I'll just, you know, close them after I double check them and make sure I count each item, check it off. Sometime, for me anyway, I'll count 3 times just to make sure everything is, you know, is there. And then always looking at the number. So the 3, yep, got her 3. The 4, got her 4. And then the 40, got her 40. 9, I only have her 4. So I have to do a 5. And then this is one of the orders. So I hope that makes sense. Just simple. So I'm going to start working on the bracelets right now. And I might even do those on camera real quick. But this is one of the 5 orders that I got for Faire. And I am going to be, I'm going to try to ship it all. I'm going to try to ship all this out today. And like I said, I give myself 1 to 3 days. I was giving myself 1 to 7 days. So I went and changed it. And you know what? I might change it back to 1 to 7 because sometimes I might not have the time, you know, to make an item like I do. Really don't have the time today, but I'm going to make the time. So that only means that some of the errands and things that I was going to do today, that just pushes it back. So that means I'll just leave later to go do things that I already have on my schedule because I had the order that came in. You know, but that's cool. That's cool. So when I make the 5, I'm gonna just make a whole lot more. That's all to it. Alrighty, and guess what, family? We'll talk soon.